morning student, hope all of you are doing well. Today I am going to discuss about triangle. So student, already we learned about lines and angles and how many types of angles, those things already we learned. Today we will see what is triangle or how many types of triangles, those things today I will discuss it. Okay, let's see. So you see here student, triangle. So what is triangle? A triangle is made up of 3 line segment. Okay, so how to make a triangle? For this we need 3 line segment. It has 3 sides, 3 angles and 3 vertices. Okay, so a triangle is represented by the symbol this. So we represent the triangle by the symbol this one. Okay, so triangles can be identified on the basis of the length of their sides or on the basis of their measure of their angles. Okay, so triangles can be classified on their based on their sides or based on their angles. Okay, so let's see here. You see here, so triangle is made up of 3 line segments. So see student, this is this one line segment, this one another line segment, and this one number 3, third number of line segment. So for make a triangle, for making a triangle we need 3 line segment. And you see here it has 3 angles. So 1 angle, 2 angle and 3 angle. So 3 angle, 3 sides and 3 vertices. Okay, so you see, so now is that types of triangles. So triangles can be classified on the basis of their sides. Okay, so you see here triangles can be classified into 3 types. First one is equilateral triangle, second one is isosceles triangle, and number 3 is scalene triangle. Okay, so let's see what is equilateral triangle. So equilateral triangle, a triangle in which all the 3 sides, so triangle is made up of 3 line segment and it has 3 sides, 3 angles and 3 vertices. Okay, so a triangle in which all of 3 sides are equal, so in which a triangle which 3 sides are equal, those type of triangle is called equilateral triangle. Okay, a triangle in which all the 3 sides are equal to each other is known as equilateral triangle. Okay, so what is this triangle? Triangle can be represented by this symbol. So triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle. Each of the 3 angles is an equilateral triangle is equal to 60 degree. Okay, so student, you see here, this is a triangle. You see this shape is a represented triangle. So these 3 sides, so this line segment, this line segment and this line segment, so AB equals to BC equals to CA. So these three sides are equal, that's why it is a equilateral triangle. And another significance of this equilateral triangle is that each angle is 60 degrees. So if you take a protractor and measure this, so you can find out this angle is 60 degrees. Okay, let's see. So student, see student, this is my protractor. So I want to show you I want to show you this angle of this equilateral triangle is 60 degree. So you know student how to measure this angle, already you learned this one. So you see the baseline, when the baseline is coincide with BC, that is, see this angle is 60 degrees. See, this is 60 degrees. So each angle, if you measure this angle and that angle, each angle is 60 degree. So okay, so this is that specification of equilateral triangle. So 3 sides will be equal and each angle is equal to 60 degree. Let's see isosceles triangle. So in isosceles triangle, if 2 of the sides of a triangle are equal, so in equilateral triangle is 3 sides are equal, but here you see 2 of their sides are equal, it is known as isosceles triangle. So in triangle, if 2 sides of the triangle are equal, that time we can say that kind of triangle is called isosceles triangle. So you see here triangle LMN is an isosceles triangle because you see these two sides are equal. Because these two sides are equal, that's why in an isosceles triangle two angles are also equal. Okay, see here student, you see both sides, the sides are equal, and as well as the both sides angle are also equal. Okay, so you see this angle and this angle are equal, and that angle is the different one. Okay, so in isoscale two sides, you remember please, two sides are equal, and also in an isoscale two angles are also equal. Okay, and here three sides are equal and three angles are all are equal to 60 degree. Okay, let's see the another type of triangle is scalene triangle. So in scalene triangle, if no two sides of a triangle are equal to each other. Okay, so in here you see that three sides are different. Okay, they are not equal to each other, it is known as a scalene triangle. So triangle PQR is a scalene triangle. So how can you identify which one is equilateral, which one is isoscale, and which one is scalene triangle? It is very easy. In equilateral triangle, the three sides are equal, and also the angles of the angles also the angles in an equilateral triangle is equal to 60 degree. And in isoscale triangle, the only two sides are equal, and two sides angle is also equal. And in a scalene triangle, the no two sides of a triangle are equal, means the all sides, means three sides are different to each other. It is known as scalene triangle. So PQR is a scalene triangle. Okay, let's see types of triangles. So before that, three one equilateral, isoscale and scalene, those three are the types of triangle, but that is based on their size. So according to their size, the triangles can be classified into three types: equilateral triangle, isoscale and scalene. But here is that triangles can be classified based on their angles. Okay, so triangle can be classified into three types, so based on their angles. So first one is the right angle triangle, next one is obtuse angle triangle, and number 3 is the acute angle triangle. So right angle triangle, so from this word right angle, so you can understand what is the meaning of right angle. Means the right angles measure exactly 90 degrees. So you remember, I think students, so what is the definition of right angle? So let's see, a triangle in which one of the three angles is a right angle. So we know in triangle there have three angles. So in three angles, one of that angles is a right angle. Right angle means 90 degrees, so is known as the right angle triangle. So let's see, this is a triangle. So triangle LMN is called the angle LMN. So this angle is 90 degrees. So how to show a 90 degree? We know this by using a small square. So see here, this is I have drawn already. The small square is 90 degrees. So this angle LMN is 90 degree. LN, so what is this LN? LN is the side opposite to the right 90 degree. So okay, so LN is the side opposite to the right angle, is called the hypotenuse. Okay, so this side is called hypotenuse. This side MN is the base of this triangle, so it is called its base. And this side, you see the LM, the upright arm of the right angle, as the height, or you can say it is called altitude. Okay, so this one you can say this side is called height, or you can say altitude. This one is hypotenuse opposite to the right angle, the side is called hypotenuse. And the base means, you see that this MN, the lower arm of the right angle, is called the base. So this is the base. Okay, so again we can want to see a triangle in which one of the three angles is a right angle. So you see here, in this one angle, this one another angle, this one another angle. So there have three angles, three sides and three vertices. Okay, so but you see here, this in this right angle triangle, one angle is right angle. So these things is very much important. So this way we can identify which type of triangle is it. It is a right angle or any other. Okay, let's see the obtuse angle triangle. So here you see obtuse angle triangle. So what is the definition we want to see at first? So a triangle with one of its angles measuring more than 90 degree is known as an obtuse angle triangle. So students, already you know about the types of angles: acute angle, obtuse angle, right angle. Those things already you learned. Okay, so same things here you see here, obtuse angle triangle. So in obtuse angle, already we learned the obtuse angle measures more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. Okay, so you see here, a triangle with one of its angles measuring more than 90 degree is known as the obtuse angle triangle. So in triangle ABC, the angle ABC measures more than 90 degree. Okay, see here, more than 90 degree. Thus triangle ABC is an obtuse angle. So see here, more than 90 degree means 120 degree. So 120 degree is more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. So in obtuse angle, you remember one angle will be 120 degree. Okay, so means actually more than 90 degree. You please remember, a triangle with one of the angles measuring more than 90 degree is known as obtuse angle triangle. So let's see acute angle triangle. So a triangle in which all the three angles are acute angles is known as an acute angle triangle. Okay, so in acute angle triangle, you know that in acute angles measure less than 90 degree. So each of the three angles in triangle PQR measure less than 90 degree, because we already know about acute angle measures less than 90 degree. So in this triangle, each angle will be less than 90 degree. Thus triangle PQR is an acute angle triangle. Okay, so see here, already I measure by using my protractor. So using this you can measure all these three angles and you can find out this one 60 degree. So this is also less than 90 degree. 70 degree is also less than 90 degree. 50 degree, this is also less than 90 degree. So this type of triangle is called acute angle triangle. Okay, so these are that triangle and different types of triangle based on their size, based on their angles. Okay, so here I am giving few questions, you see here. So see here, the first question is the classify the following triangles is scalene, equilateral and isoscale in triangle ABC. So here I am giving 4 types of sides. Means in first question you see I am giving only the sides. So 5 meter. So 5 meter the length of the side. So you think about, if this is so if this is a ABC triangle, so AB, if ABC, then see, okay, so ABC, so this length is given, this length is given, this length is given. Okay, so you see here meters of AB 5 meter. So line segment, length of the line segment is given, BC equals to 3 meters, CA is equal to 4 meter. So you just find out or classify which type of triangle is it. It is a scalene triangle, is it a equilateral, or is it isoscale? So which type of triangle is it, you just please identify. So for question is here. So you write each of that question which type of triangle is it. Okay, question number 2, you see classify the following triangles according to their angles. So you see here I have given three types of triangle. So you just find out that classify the following triangle according to their angles. So according to their angles means we have to measure the angles by using a protractor. So students, already you know how to measure angles. That things already I discussed in my previous video. So that way you just identify the each of the angles of this triangle. So each angle you just find out. When you find out these angles, then easily you can find out which type of triangle is it. So that way you can classify this three triangle, which type of triangle is it. Okay, so this way you just please solve these questions. Okay, in my next video I will discuss about symmetry. Okay, before you save at your home. And thank you students.